Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be showing you tonight will be the flow of my shower head after soaking the shower head with a mixture of baking soda and white vinegar for overnight. And I open the shower now, and as you can see it, the flow was actually perfect, meaning to say the mineral deposits are actually totally eliminated after soaking the shower head overnight with the mixture of baking soda and white vinegar. You can see it, guys. Okay, you can see it. You can see it. I will try to focus it. You see the flow was perfect, meaning to say the holes of the shower head was the mineral deposits on the holes of the shower head was totally eliminated after soaking this one with the mixture of white vinegar and baking soda. You can see it, guys, it's perfect. So you could do it also to your shower head to eliminate the abnormal flow of water because mineral deposit has been deposited on the holes of the shower head. And like what I said, I submerge this one, okay, with the mixture of baking soda and white vinegar. I just would like to show you what I used last night. Okay. Okay. This is the container which I used last night to place on the shower head. I put a white vinegar and what you call this baking soda, and I submerged the shower head for the whole night. And as you can see it, okay, the shower head was perfect. Okay, it's perfect. It's perfect already. The flow of water coming from the small holes was actually perfect going around. Okay, it's perfect. I use this one so you could use it. So I will hide this one. So whenever this shower head clogs up again, I will do the same procedure again. Okay. Good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I have discussed is that I soak the shower head with a mixture of baking soda and vinegar overnight. And in the morning, if you try to open it, you could see a perfect shower head flow from the hole. Good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.